Welcome back to Reborn-FJ. After our previous videos, many of you showed immense interest in our classic Toyota Land Cruiser FJ series. Today, we're excited to introduce another masterpiece we're incredibly proud of, the FJ45V cab. Behold the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45V. Born from the legendary J40 series that debuted in 1960, this vehicle was engineered for a world-demanding ultimate toughness and reliability. The F in its name signifies the robust F-Series Inline-Six gasoline engine, a power plant renowned for its torque and resilience. This F-Series power plant, known for its immense torque and reliability, ensured the FJ45V could conquer the most demanding terrains across the globe, from arid deserts to dense jungles. The V for van, a long wheelbase, enclosed body offering unmatched versatility. Step inside, and you're transported to an era of purposeful design. Simple, robust, and utterly functional. Every switch, every gauge was built to last. This cabin wasn't about luxury. It was about control and endurance in the most challenging conditions imaginable. It's this very spirit of enduring craftsmanship that inspires us. Passion for legends inspired our perfect FJ45V cab replication, reviving its details with modern precision for new adventures.